Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about phrases for making guesses. How can you express your guess in English? There are different phrases we can use to express guess in English. Many a time we are asked to give our opinion about something when we don't have enough information or we are not sure about it. We call such an answer or opinion a guess. We guess the cost or amount of something. We guess what someone did or might do. We guess the cause or effect of something. There are many ways to express guesses in English. We can use different phrases to express guesses in English. We can use modal verbs such as could, might, and must for making guesses. Modal verbs like must, might, and could can be used to express your guesses in English. Another way to make a guess is with phrases. You can use some phrases to express a guess in English. First one, off top of my head. Off top of my head. What does it mean? See, it means from the knowledge I have in my memory. On top of my head means from the knowledge I have in my memory. When you use this phrase, you are making a guess or estimate without thinking about it much before your answer. This can happen when you do not have much time to answer. In that case, you can use the phrase on top of my head. Imagine that your motorcycle is damaged in a traffic accident. You ask a mechanic to make an estimate about the cost of repairs. He says, on top of my head, it should be around 5,000 rupees. Another way to express your guess is with the phrase, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. Sometimes we guess on the things we already know. In that case, you can use this phrase, that is, I wouldn't be surprised. To say that an action or fact is certain or likely based on what we know about someone or something. In that case, you can use the phrase, I wouldn't be surprised to express your guess. For example, I wouldn't be surprised if Rakesh won the Best Singer award this year. His songs have received much praise in the media. I already know that Rakesh has received much praise for his songs. So, from that knowledge, I guess that he will get the Best Singer award this year. So, to express this, you can use the phrase, I wouldn't be surprised if Rakesh won the Best Singer award this year. Number 2, I wouldn't be surprised if the mechanic overcharged us. The last time I went for repairs, my bill was too high. So, this time I guess the mechanic will overcharge us. Another way to express your guess is, it is difficult to say. It is difficult to say. We use it to stress that a guess is difficult to make. If you are feeling that you cannot make a guess or it is difficult to make a guess in this situation, you can use the phrase, it is difficult to say. Example, 2 football teams are competing in a match. Someone asks us to predict which team will win. Your answer will be, it is difficult to say. Both teams have had an unusually strong records this season. So, I'm not able to predict who will win the match. We are not able to predict who will win the match. In that case, you can use this phrase, it is difficult to say. There are two other ways of wording this phrase. It is tough to say. It is hard to say. In this class, we have discussed about the different phrases for making guesses. I hope this video is useful for you. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.